my god. Hello y'all. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today is a very great day. I had my PT test and I got my first 90 plus. So I don't have to worry about taking a PT test for a year. God is good. Amen.
Amen. Amen.
On top of that, one of my NCOs was like, you can take the rest of the day off. So I'm like, period. So me and Elvis, he's off as well. We're about to do like a self-care day. He's gonna get a pedicure, but I'm gonna get a manicure and pedicure because look at my nails.
It used to be fixed.
They're very long. My nails grow like really fast. So I'm gonna get them cut down and probably keep them the same because I like these. They look professional. But yeah, that's where we're about to go. I'm just so happy. Like, God is really good. God is really good.
She's been talking nonstop. Like, you did good. We know. We know. We know.
I'm in the 90s club. I've never made a 90 ever.
But yeah, you did good today. She actually did good today.
Thank you.
So, I'm gonna go spoil her a little bit.
It's hot and I got the money. We just went to the ATM and life is great because the euro to US dollar is 1-to-1. Usually when I get this much money, it costs me an arm and a leg. But now I can get it and flaunt it like I really got it.
She's broke. Y'all don't listen to her. She's broke.
Yeah.
Ready to go?
Yeah, let's go.
She swears she has
about
money.
to get beat.
She swears she got money. She ain't got nothing. I love you.
He is trying to get piercings. We shall see.
It's about that time. It's about that time. But I have to get the clear ones because I can't wear it in uniform. So if they can pierce it with the clear ones, hopefully they can. If not, then I gotta wait till I go on leave or something.
We are in the mall about to get our nails done. It's self-care time. TJ Maxx,
It's like a big difference. Why you bring this to my face like that?
This is my 2,533 parking ticket in the K-Town area. I just don't understand. This one is 10 euro. Usually they're like 30, but I can never win.
It's okay. I parked here, so I'll pay for it.
God bless.
I really thought this was the best spot, but I guess not.
Are you excited? Do you know what's going on?
I wish I knew what was going on, but she wouldn't tell me, so I'm just gonna wait.
Surprising me, so I was surprised you.
I guess so. So I just wait and see what she got. Normally, I'm the best person to surprise her, so we'll see what she comes up with. I feel like every video I'm telling them I'm the best in the relationship.
Think what you want.
Think what I want.
The audience knows.
I'm built different, you know.
You don't have to say you're built different. It'll show.
Okay. All right. We'll see. All right, guys. I don't know where I'm at still, so We're gonna figure out soon.
Welcome in to Summer Rodelbahn, Petersburg. Do you know what that means?
Nope.
Rodelbahn means roller coaster, but it's in the ground.
Okay. I guess someone is childish out here, but we'll see. Let's go see how this one looks like. We still gotta go to Europa Park, like sometime. I forget how short you are. Sorry. It's okay. One day you'll grow. Could you imagine all your kids being taller than you?
Please end the video.
Okay. The one that's all the way in the back can't keep up. This one looks fun already. Hopefully I don't fall off. Oh, it's kind of scary.
I'm so scared. We got like a long way to go too. So we just got finished. It's like 86 degrees right now, so I think we went at a perfect time.
Yeah.
It's starting to get crowded, but overall I thought that it was fun. We got to do 2 rides each, and yeah, I give it a 10 out of 10. Eventually I want to find like another place like this, but more adult version-y. I feel like this one was more on the kiddie side. I want something more intense, so we'll plan that.
Yeah, it was pretty fun. I like it. It's just, I feel like if you're gonna come here, just know it feels like you're about to fall off, but you won't. I don't think anyone has like probably fallen off yet. I don't think so. I mean, there's no history to it. I didn't ask, but you'll be fine. It's pretty cool though, going like down the hill. Like you can go as fast as you want, but please be smart on the curves, because that's where it feels like you're literally about to fall off.
Yeah, but I wanted to do that before I left Germany, and that's like scratched off of my bucket list. So now we're about to go to another place. This place is nicer. We're gonna eat there and walk around.
Okay. Let's see what she got.
Mr. Scott brought me. This is like my first trip.
Tell the people where we at.
We are at Bernkastel Kues. It's like a village in Germany. It's really rich. Like you can tell they got money. And we're just looking around. It's really pretty.
stuff in here? It's gonna be this big. I think it's big.
That's what he said.
Stop being nasty.
Well, I got the salmon lasagna and he got the calzone. It's really cheesy. He got the bust down.
Bastion.
So we just got done eating Italian food. I'm gonna have like gas issues in my stomach in a minute. And I'm sorry for all these strangers that
I don't know why we're talking about this right now.
but yeah, it was really good. It was bomb.
Yeah, the food was good. But yeah, so far we've walked around, we did a few things, and maybe later we're gonna go on the boat tour and see
There's
what
a
we can
bunch
do.
of boats out here.
Yeah,
But yeah, it's great so far.
it's been good. Well, let's see if I'm smart.
I bet it's not gonna open.
I bet you $2 is gonna open. I bet you $0 is not gonna open. I can see the locks.
Why is this man picking me up?
She says she's tired, so I'm trying to carry her.
That's a strong black man.
Yep.
I hope you throw up.
That would have been funny.
We saw that.
Who saw that?
We saw it.
Fat ass. I just don't know why you always bring it.
Well, this is like the center part of it. It's so pretty. Like it looks like something off of like a Disney movie.
Ja, lekker.
Where I wanna go. Is this an exclusive area?
No, I think this is the restaurant. But finally, we're on the boat. We're about to go have some fun.
Ja, oder ein Schattenplatz.
Woran hast du denn? Sure. Let's go
Should
forward.
have got some wine.
Yeah.
But like we have way too much going on as far as like liquids and fluids. If I mix that, like I'm done.
Yeah, I think we've been mismatching a lot of stuff. Love it.
Yeah.
Has a hotel or something.
Yeah, they like. I think you can have events in there. I've never been up there. Did you just hit your head?
No. I'm tired, okay? I ran out of gas.
So we are at this spa slash pool slash paradise thing. Supposedly I was supposed to go for Valentine's Day, but I couldn't because I was flying. So we're coming today. I already know that it's gonna be nice. Yeah.
Life is good though. Again, I don't want people thinking we are recording their nakedness, but we'll see. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you ain't gotta open your whole mouth to